Welcome. In front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to make your laptop work faster. The first thing that you can do is changing the power mode of your device. To do that, right-click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to power and sleep settings, and here go to the power mode. Change it from balanced to best performance. Be aware that by changing this value for on battery setting will make your battery discharge faster. So I recommend to stay with either balanced or best power efficiency option for on battery setting. Next, you can remove the startup applications that you don't need in order to decrease your startup speed and improve your device's productivity. To do that, right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then go to Startup Apps section. Now, to see which of these applications start up when your PC turns on, sort them by status, and the applications that have the enabled status will turn on when your device boots up. As you can see, for me, this list consists only of the important applications, so I'm not gonna disable any of them. But if you have some applications that you don't necessarily need to start up when your PC boots up, for example game launchers or messengers that you don't use right after your device turns on, then turn off one of these applications by right-clicking it and selecting disable. This way your laptop will start up faster and also will be more productive when you're using it, since there will be one less application running in the background. The next thing that you can do is update your device. To install all the essential updates, you can go to Settings, open Windows Update, click Check for Updates and see if there are any updates for your computer. You can also go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates and see if there are any updates, especially driver updates available. If there are, then download and install all of them. You can also download some specific updates and optimize your device's work using Dell Support Assist application. You can download it from the official Dell website. So open your web browser, go to the search engine and search for Dell Support Assist. You're gonna find Support Assist Dell US on the official .com website. Open this website, select Support Assist for home PCs, scroll down and select Download Support Assist. Wait until the installation file is downloaded. Then open your Downloads folder and run the installation file. Wait until the application is installed, and once it is, open it by going to the Start menu, opening the list of all applications and finding the Dell Support Assist application. In this application, you can perform the full system scan. By performing full system scan, you will check for updates available on your device and then install them afterwards. The updates will be downloaded and installed automatically. You will only have to check which ones you want to install. You will also be able to scan your device's hardware and see for any issues with your hardware and check for any issues with your hardware. You can also boost your device performance and optimize your network, which will also all of this will cause your device to be more productive. So all you have to do is click Start right here and then wait for this operation to be performed. I'm not gonna do this right now, but I highly recommend doing it on your computer. And that's all the tips I wanted to share with you in this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.